very small amount of clay. I just wanted to try and work out some things here with the smallness issue. Just did. I made it too thin in the bottom. See, I am so not perfect at this. I doubt there's a way I can recover that. I mean, I could always dig it out and put a new bottom in. I've seen Simon do that before. Let's see what I can do. I like the cup. That's why I don't want to let it go. I'm just making a patch. Scratching it on the bottom, scratching it on here. Look at that, 2 cups in a matter of days. I think the end date has me a little under pressure to be doing awesome because, you know, I've been doing this a year, right? So I know it's partly the pressure of the project almost being finished and being able to say, look how much I learned. But I guess that's not the point, is it? Well, sort of the point. It around my thumb. Well, hello there, miss. $2.75.